Hey guys, welcome back to another video here, and today we're going to do the Magician tutorial card trick. Stay tuned. So what tutorials I do, like I cover it in the card trick 1, but I do it just more in depth because people maybe have some questions for the card trick or what reason. And yeah, let's get started. First of all, you remember the bottom card, which is the 3 diamonds, and then you will tell them to pick one card and one card only, Joker card. Just right now, and I'm gonna put it on top of deck. I'm gonna like this to deck, cut it in half, and you put it on top of the card. So once you find the 3 diamonds, you're gonna find your card. So let me find it for a second here. So look, Joker, right? The 3 diamonds. So whatever card that's like whatever card is above the 3 diamonds is your card. So let's do another example. Think of a card. The 8 of spades. So I can put it on top of the deck, and then remember this card Joker. I'm gonna put it on top of the deck. So we're gonna find Joker. So once
your payment arrived,
we find Joker here, we're gonna find our card 8 of spades. So that's how I do it, and then we're gonna have to place, and then we're gonna play some card guess. So stay tuned for that. Okay, that's some card guess game. So if you guessed it right, I'll subscribe you back. And then if you got it right, put it in your comments that if you get it right, it's your card 10 of diamonds. Let's do another one. Card. What's your card? Jack of spades. Let's do the last one. The Queen of Hearts. If you want more of these card tricks that you can get subscribers from, just comment card games, more card games, and I'll do more card games like this in other videos. So just stay healthy, stay at home, and then we'll see you in the next video. Peace.